the demand of regulatory affairs professional increasing day by day, not only in pharma industry but also in food industry, cosmetic industry, even in medical devices, because these industries are highly regulated. So it is very important for a company to have a skilled regulatory affairs professional to get a marketing authorization of their product. So I thought to share you what are the 5 skills that are required to become a successful regulatory affairs professional. So if you are planning to join regulatory affairs or you are already in this field, these are the 5 skills you must acquire to become a successful regulatory affairs professional. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Hi, my name is Nirupma. I hope you all are good and doing fantastic in your life. So before starting, let me tell you what is regulatory affairs and what regulatory affairs professional exactly do. Regulatory affairs is a department which acts as an intermediate between the company and health authorities. So they are basically the representative of a company to communicate with the agencies. Regulatory affairs has to submit a dossier containing all the relevant information related to the product. Based on that, health authority can grant approval. They should provide a document to justify that their product is safe, efficient and qualified enough to be consumed by the patients. So the role of regulatory affairs professional is very critical for a business point of view. And if you want to become a successful regulatory affairs professional, these are the 5 skills you should acquire. Number 1 is technical skills. Basically, technical skill will come from your educational background. Any science-based degree like BSc, MSc, M.Pharm, B.Pharm and other life science degree are considered for regulatory affairs. Additionally, if you have a good knowledge of legislation, regulation, this will be added as a bonus for your profile, because regulatory has to review many of the technical and scientific documents, so your technical knowledge will be required. Number 2 is communication skills. As I already told you that regulatory affairs has to submit a dossier containing all the relevant information of the product as per the regulatory guidelines to the agency. So for preparing that document, for gathering more of the information relevant to that dossier, regulatory affairs has to communicate with several other departments within company like marketing, QA, QC, production and other department. They are also involved in taking critical decision involving business strategy, regulatory strategy and also making understanding of the regulatory guideline of other stakeholders. It is very important for a company to have a skilled regulatory affairs professional who have the good communication skill. Number 3 is writing skills. Also, for preparing documents and having a technical knowledge, it's also important for a regulatory affairs professional to have a good writing skill so that they can write in their dossier very scientifically, very technically, so that agency will understand what exactly they are trying to say, and also it should represent the safety, efficacy and quality of the product. Dossier is a very critical document. Based on that, agency will review and provide approval. So a good writing skill is must required for a regulatory affairs professional. Number 4, critical thinking. Regulatory affairs professional have to keep eye on the changing regulation in the pharma industry or in other industry in which they are working, and interpreting the implications of these changes for their drug development and authorization process. They also need to communicate about these changes to the other stakeholders within the company so that they can take decisions and maintain their product accordingly. They also should have a good attention to reviewing all the technical documents. Number 5 and last is management skill. Management skills comes in 2 parts: organization skills and business skills. RA has to involved in providing documentation and answering to the queries raised by the agency. They are also involved in discussion with several other departments to help them understand about the changing regulations. They also have to routinely monitor all the changes happening within the product life cycle. They are also sometimes engaged in direct discussions with customers. So there are several tasks which are handled by the RA. So they should have an organization skill to prioritize their work, their tasks based on the business implications. Business skills are also required by RA to develop, not in the initial stage of their career, but as they go higher in the level of the regulatory affairs, they should develop a business skills. You should know to integrate your regulatory knowledge into a business strategy. You should know the pharma business model or any other industry in which you are working for that matter. You should have a sound judgment of finance, marketing, management to make a strategy for a company. So that's it for today. I hope this video helps you to understand about the regulatory affairs and the basic skill required to join that department. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till that time, bye bye. Happy New Year and be healthy, be safe.